everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a stitch fix and my scissors. I'm so pleased that you have joined me. If this is your first time, please be certain to subscribe by hitting the subscribe and tap the bell. Then you will be notified every time I publish a video on YouTube, and I make videos all about women's clothing. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you are in the right place. And I can't wait to get into my stitch fix. I will link all of my stitch fix reviews at the end of this video if you care to check those out. But I'll tell you, I put in a note for my stylist and told my stylist that I was looking for button downs. I'm looking for solid color clothing and kind of the same thing that I was looking for last time. I'm trying to get ready for fall and looking for blazers, cardigans, and just some kind of conservative basic pieces. So let's open this box and see what we have. For anyone that is not familiar with Stitch Fix, this is a style service that you fill out a style profile. You're paired with a stylist who creates a box with 5 items. They send them to your home so you can try everything on at home. You decide what you want to keep and you send the rest back. Postage is free both ways. There's a $20 styling fee, and that fee comes off anything that you decide to purchase in this box. That's Stitch Fix in a nutshell. I have a referral link below in the description box if you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself. Right now they have an awesome deal. If you try Stitch Fix using my link, you get $25 credit towards your first box. They also give me $25 credit. So it's a win-win situation. So if you're thinking about trying it, now is a super time to try it. So I want to see what my 5 items are. Okay. Everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is printed right on the box. And this is what we get, a return mailer. We also get an envelope full of information, the price sheets, and also some styling cards with styling ideas on how to style all this clothing. Ooh, I see some white, is that denim in there? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it looks like button downs. I'm excited because that is really what I want, is button down. Right off the top, I see something from Skies Are Blue. We have a, oh, I thought it was a shirt inside, but this is a blazer, and we have the ruched sleeves on the side, and this is kind of a teal colored blazer, and it's lined, and everyone that watches my channel knows that I appreciate a blazer with lining. Jackets should have lining because that is what touches your skin. If you're just wearing a shell, this is what will touch your skin. So that's pretty important to me. And wow, this is lovely. It has pockets, and the pockets are still stitched, but it has pockets. It has everything I'm looking for. I have never tried a blazer with the ruching on the sleeve, so I can't wait to try that. What's the collar look like? There is no collar, but there is a lapel. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, we have another white button down, and this one, okay, wow, this looks really big. This is Calvin Klein. This is size medium. This is the Madison button down cotton shirt, and it just looks really big. Okay, we have some tab sleeves there and gold button. And, well, that's pretty plain. It does look to be a little bit longer in the back. I don't know how I feel about this. I did purchase the last Calvin Klein white top that I got. We've got another white top. You guys, this makes me really happy. I know if you've been watching my videos, you know that I have purchased 2, and if these 2 work, I will purchase 2 more. This is an item I can't get enough of. This is by Alexander Jordan, and this is Andrea one pocket shirt in white, and so there's the one pocket. I know white doesn't film well, so thank you for bearing with me. And let's see, they have the sleeves rolled, but I'm gonna try it with the sleeves down and rolled. But yeah, this goes all the way down, and there is a little pleating detail in the back. Oh, this is not a true button up. It only buttons halfway. So, oh, I don't know. Is this another button down? Ooh, this one is nice. This is by Tribal. This is the Alea button down top in olive. And this feels really, really nice. This is kind of silky fabric. Now, it's also a little bit more casual than what I was looking for. We've got these flat pockets. There is no button there, but it's on both sides. And there's olive button work, and there's tabs on the shoulder. And no, it looks to be even with a rounded hem there. So I don't know about that one. We'll see how it looks on. And the last thing we have, is this another button down? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is the Brenna and M Evie button down tunic blouse in blue. Okay, this is super big. Again, we have the two pockets, and it buttons all the way down, and there is some pleating detail in the back. And this feels to be a polyester blend. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not real crazy about tunic length anything, but I'm certainly willing to try it. There's some great options in this box. Let's try it on. Okay, I have tried everything on, and now let's look at the prices. Let's see who my stylist is. My regular stylist is out on maternity leave, and today I have Rachel. Do you guys want to hear the note? Let's see what Rachel has to say. She says, "Hi Kelly, happy Fix Day. Thank you for writing to request and let me know what you are looking for to add to your closet. I see you are looking for some long sleeve or 3/4 sleeve button down shirts." I'm not looking for 3/4 sleeve. But I was able to get you 2 white shirts. The one by Calvin Klein is intentionally longer so it will fit differently than the one by Alexander Jordan. I only had 1 blue button-down option for you today. The Brenna and M blouse has a trendy but still sophisticated tunic length. The tribal olive button-down will look great with the white pants or jeans this summer, and then it will also transition well into the fall season. Finally, you asked for a blazer that wasn't black or white, and I did, and I also know that you want us to avoid gray at this time, so I hope you like the one by Skies Are Blue in teal. I hope some of these pieces work well for you. Enjoy, Rachel. So the style card is, there's nothing about the style card that really stands out to me much. So that's the note. Let's get down to business. Let's look at the prices. The first thing we have is the Brenna and M Evie button-down tunic blouse in blue. This is only $38. Okay, I didn't think I was gonna like this. This might be my favorite piece in the box. I do think it's a little bit too big for me. I have pretty narrow shoulders, and the shoulders were a little bit too big. You could see they were hanging off, and then the sleeves were too long. So if I decide to keep this, and it's only $38, I need to size down. I wear between a size small and medium, sometimes a large, but generally in juniors I wear a large. So I just think this one was a little big, but I kind of surprised myself. I kind of like the cut of this blouse. So I don't know, and the price tag looks really appealing to me. So this one is $38. Okay, next we have Alexander Jordan. This is the Andrea one pocket shirt in white. This one is only $38. This one is, okay, you guys, now I looked at the fabric on this, and this is cotton and polyester with a little bit, there's 4% spandex in this, but this feels like a bed sheet, and a thin bed sheet. So that's not necessarily bad, but you can see it came really wrinkled, and I'm not sure how I feel about this 3/4 button. I was really hoping for a full button up. Now, I do think that the sleeve length was okay for me, but rolled up, it was a little bit tight. So I did show it to you rolled completely down because rolling it up won't be an option for me if I decide to keep it. And this one's only $38, but I'm not crazy about this one. Okay, the next one is the Calvin Klein top. This is the Madison button-down cotton shirt in white. This one is $68. And okay, this one feels like a high quality, very nice shirt. It was really long. This is one of those tunic length tops that I just don't know if I have any need for it. This does feel like a really nice quality top. I like the gold buttons on it. I think the hardware, is that what you call it? But I think it's all done very nicely. And when you put it on, it feels very nice. It's so long. If you were to tuck it into your pants, you would be tucking for days. So for $68, I think this one is a pass. I think it's beautiful. It's not exactly what I was looking for. So I'm gonna pass on this one too. Now, the green one, this is the Tribal Alea button-down top in olive. This one's only $44, and this has a really nice feeling to it. Again, it's big, it's long, and there's a lot of fabric to it. And my favorite thing about this top is the way the fabric feels. It's by Tribal. Feels like the super soft Stitch Fix fabric. And guys, I don't know how many tab sleeve blouses a girl needs. I have plenty. Most of them from Stitch Fix. And I assume they keep sending them to me because I have bought so many. But I'm kind of over it. I just want a straight sleeve, just a classic button up. But I think this is a lovely shirt, and I don't know. This is not a bad price, $44. Okay, let's look at the blazer. The blazer is the Skies Are Blue Raha collarless blazer in teal. This is $78. Oh my gosh. Now this is in a size medium, and there is no button closure on that. I didn't notice that when I unboxed it. I appreciate that it's lined. I don't know. I tried it on with a white blouse. I thought it looked terrible. That's why you see it in the try-on with my t-shirt, which I will wear it with a t-shirt. Honestly, I don't know. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can find something. Okay, I'm back because I own a teal blazer, and this one is by Forever 21. Look, it's lined, and I think it even has a cute little sleeve, so when you roll the sleeves on it, you've got that pretty little detail there. So I appreciate that Rachel was able to find a blazer for me that had some color in it, but it is so close to a blazer that I already own. So guys, I am just not sure what to do about this fix. I am very pleased that she delivered on my request. She sent me so many options, and I was so excited when I unboxed this box, but I just don't know if I need to keep anything. The grand total on this box is $266. That seems so expensive because some of the items were really inexpensive, but the buy all discount is $66.50, bringing the total to $199.50 if I decided to buy everything. That's not gonna happen. I can't wait to hear your comments. Please let me know if you think there is anything in this box that is exceptional. I'm very lucky because I purchased a Style Pass, which means that I can receive all the Stitch Fix boxes I want this year, and I paid a one-time styling fee. So if I send everything back, I'm okay. I could go back to the drawing board and see what my stylist will send me next time. The only thing that I'm considering keeping is that blue tunic top. Now, you guys saw me in a tunic. What do you think? I mean, do you understand why I don't like tunic links? But I kind of like that one. Maybe I should size down in that one and get it and own it. Let me know what you think. This has been a lot of fun. I always enjoy Stitch Fix Day, and I enjoy it even more because I get to share it with you. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Would you give this video a thumbs up? I really appreciate it. Leave your comments below and come back and visit me in 2 days. I will have another video for you. I'll see you then. Blessings to you.